You might have faced an issue multiple times where your code runs on your machine but doesn't work at all on someone else's machine and you do not understand why. You know the code is same, I know the code is same, but still somehow it doesn't work on someone else's machine. Many of us have faced this issue multiple times and it is too frustrating. So what is the solution? What if we take a machine, install our application there and then let others use it from there so that they do not have to install it on their machine? And it will always work. Sounds good, right? But this is what a virtual machine is. So the solution is already there in the form of virtual machine. Then what's the problem? The problem is, for running a small website, you have to install a whole fully fledged operating system, which in turn needs a lot of RAM, which in turn needs a lot of memory and a lot of CPU power, which in turn needs a lot of money, otherwise a lot of patience to run. So what if we create a box which will only have those things your website needs to run and other things it can take from the already installed operating system on the device? So what will happen is, I will create a box where I will put what my website needs and I will put this in the box. Now, if this box is running my website on a machine, it will run this box on any machine. This is exactly what Docker is. Docker leverages the underlying OS by sharing its kernel. This means Docker doesn't need to create a full operating system for each container like virtual machines do. Instead, it uses the host OS to run the containers, which makes them lighter and faster. When you create a Docker container, it includes everything your app needs to run: the code, runtime, libraries and dependencies. This way, your app will work the same no matter where you run the container, whether it's on your computer, a colleague's laptop or a server. It's like having a magic box that holds your app and all its essentials, ensuring it works seamlessly anywhere. I hope now you understand what Docker is. If yes, one subscribe to the channel will bring a smile on my face and energy for more such videos. Also, don't forget to like the video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep voyaging in this beautiful digital world.